In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change health bar color on League of Legends. If you've ever struggled to tell team colors apart or just want clearer visuals in the middle of intense fights, this quick tweak will help. League of Legends includes a built-in colorblind mode that adjusts the health bar colors and a few other visuals to improve clarity. It's simple to turn on, and you'll see the difference right away once you're in a match. First, log into a game. You'll want to be in an actual match because this setting is found within the in-game menu, and seeing the change in real time makes it easier to confirm you like the result. Any game mode works, so just load into a match and wait until you're in the rift or on the map. Once you're in, go to the settings. Open the in-game menu to access all your options. It's best to do this when you're in a safe spot, like under your turret or while you're not in combat, so you don't miss anything happening on screen while you adjust the setting. Inside settings, head to the video section. You'll see a general area there with a variety of visual options that affect how the game looks and displays information during play. This is where the colorblind mode lives. Under General, look for colorblind mode and click it to turn it on. This toggles a set of visual adjustments designed to increase contrast. Most notably, it changes health bar colors so they're easier to distinguish at a glance. Allies typically shift to blue and enemies to yellow, which can be much clearer if red and green are hard to tell apart. You may also notice clearer spell indicators and objective markers, which can help with timing abilities and tracking fights. After you enable it, make sure to hit Save. This confirms your choice and keeps the setting active. If you skip saving, the game may revert back and you'll lose the change the next time you open settings or leave the match. Once saved, look around your screen. Health bars, above champions, minions, and jungle monsters should now reflect the updated colors, making it easier to parse team fights and lane trades. That's it. To recap, jump into a game, open settings, go to video, find the general section, toggle on colorblind mode, and hit save. You can turn it off the same way if you ever want to switch back. Try playing a few minutes with it on and see how it feels. Many players find the clearer contrast helps them react faster and makes the overall experience more comfortable.